I sometimes cop to the criticism that on this show, we tend to focus on the horse race between the big tech companies, who's up, who's down, who, like Roblox, might be a Godzilla of the future, and who, like maybe Intel, seems to be sliding towards being an irrelevant dinosaur of the past. The way I like to think about it is that we're covering the evolution and creative destruction of capitalism in real time. Keeping score of who's the richest person in the world is probably less relevant to that task, but only obliquely. So, for what it's worth noting that Elon Musk has overtaken Bill Gates to become the world's second richest person, behind Jeff Bezos, quoting The Verge. The Tesla CEO's net worth now sits at around $128 billion after increasing by $100 billion this year alone. There is a sizable gap between Musk and the number one spot, which is currently held by Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos, who has a reported net worth of around $182 billion. In January, Musk ranked 35th on the list, Bloomberg reports. Musk's rapid ascent up the list has mainly been driven by Tesla's share price. The car company currently has a market cap of almost $500 billion after starting the year at under $100 billion. The Guardian reports that Tesla has the highest market cap of any car company in the world, despite producing a fraction of the cars of more established automakers. This year, it expects to produce 500,000 cars, compared to around 10 million for a company like Toyota. Around three-quarters of Musk's net worth consists of Tesla shares, according to Bloomberg. But Musk's other major venture, SpaceX, has also seen recent success. Last week, the company transported 4 astronauts to the International Space Station aboard its Crew Dragon spacecraft. That follows the company's first crewed flight to space in May of this year. Bill Gates sat atop the billionaires index for years until he was overtaken by Jeff Bezos in 2017. Bloomberg notes that Gates would probably have a higher net wealth right now if he hadn't given so much money to charity, including the over $27 billion he's donated through the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation since 2006. Gates and Musk have had some high-profile disagreements this year. In September, Musk said Gates had, quote, no clue about the viability of electric trucks after the Microsoft co-founder said that electric semi-trucks, along with electric cargo ships and passenger jets, will probably never be practical. Earlier this year, Gates told CNBC that Musk should avoid making big predictions about areas he's not familiar with after the Tesla CEO downplayed the risk of the COVID-19 pandemic. Musk overtook Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg last week when he became the third richest person on the billionaires index. Zuckerberg has since fallen to 5th in the rankings after he was overtaken by French businessman Bernard Arnault, end quote. But speaking of people having a beef with Elon Musk,